Good morning, children. Now, welcome back to our English class, children. Now, it's time for you all to understand few topics of grammar. Picture composition, already we have explained. The video also has been sent. Hope you all are practicing the picture composition. Now, the next topic that is coming in your exam is simple present tense, simple past tense, and future tense. Okay, so just coming to this topic, the present, past, and future tense, children, just have a quick revision with the topic verbs. Okay, you all must have learned this topic in class 2. So, before understanding this topic verb, we will not be able to understand the chapter or the topic present, past, and future tenses. So, let's have a quick revision of the topic verbs. So, my children all are knowing what are verbs or what the verb is informing us or telling us. It's a very vast and a very important topic of grammar. So we need to understand verb first, then we will be able to understand the topic tenses. Okay, children? So let's have a quick revision of verbs. Verbs, okay? Doing words or action words. Okay, children? Doing words means हम जो काम करते हैं, जो भी शब्द, जो भी वर्ड हमें बताते हैं कि हम कोई वर्क कर रहे हैं, कोई काम कर रहे हैं. और एक्शन वर्ड्स, या तो हमारा एक्शन क्या है, हम कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं, क्या काम कर रहे हैं, ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो वर्ड्स हमें देते हैं, दे आर नोन एज verbs. Okay, doing words or action words are known as verbs. Okay, so let's have a examples of few picture. The picture, then read, look at the picture, then read the sentences. The boy laughs. Okay, the word, okay, the boy, एक लड़का है, he is laughing. The boy laughs. The action is laugh. Okay, the word laugh is informing us about the work or the action that the boy is laughing. The sun shines. The shine word is telling us कि सूरज चमक रहा है. Okay, the dog barks at the cow. The dog barks at the cow. कुत्ता जो है वो भौंक रहा है, एक्शन कर रहा है काउ पर. उसके क्या एक्शन है? He is barking at the cow. The next is the train runs on rails. Okay. The fish swim in the sea. Okay. The action of the fish is to swim in the sea. The swim word is informing us the action. Neha dances. Okay. See the action of Neha. She is dancing. Fire burns. जो आग है वो क्या हो रही है? जल रही है. The action is burns. The burning, the fire is burning. The bell, bell है, object है, it is ringing. The bell rings. Okay, the word is informing, the verb is, the action or the doing word is that rings. जो घंटी है वो बज रही है. Okay, these are all the examples of the verbs, doing words or action words. Okay, let's move to the next page. The boys run a race. Okay, there are few boys, they are running a race. वो लोग दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. The baby cries. Okay, the action is that the baby is crying. The baby cries. Okay, children. So you have to be very careful with all these words. Run, cries, barks, swim, dances, shines. Okay. Now, the underlined words tell us what the people doing, what the people and the things are doing. ये सब जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है, ब्लू वाले वर्ड है, कलर है, वो हमें ये बता रहे हैं कि ये लोग जो हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, या जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो क्या कर रही है, कौन सा काम कर रही है, कौन सा एक्शन कर रही है. The boy is a person, as you all know, it's a noun. Laugh is doing, वो हंस रहा है, उसका एक्शन है. फायर इज अ थिंग इज बर्निंग, वो जल रही है. द वर्ड्स बॉय, सन, डॉग, train, fish, Sita, fire, bell, and baby are person and things. See, children, they are all the noun, they are the naming words. And the action words that tells us what they are doing. Like for example, the boy laughs. The boy is a person. The boy is laughing. वो हंस रहा है. The baby, baby is a person. Baby cries. बच्चा रो रहा है. Okay. Now, words which show. Okay, pay attention. Words which show what people and things are doing are called verbs. ओके, वो शब्द, वो वर्ड जो हमें बताते हैं या दिखाते हैं कि लोग या थिंग्स या चीज़ें क्या कर रही हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, व्हाट दे आर just doing the action, what they are doing now, what the action is related to that people are called verbs. They are also called action words. इन्हें हम verbs भी कह सकते हैं और action words भी कह सकते हैं. So hope you all have understood the verb, the doing words and the action words. Okay. Now come to the topic that is very important for you all is present, past and future tense. Children, now in this class 3, you just have an introduction of this topic, nothing more vast. We will go in this chapter in class 4 and 5. You are going to learn this chapter in a very vast manner. बहुत बड़े लेवल पर, बहुत बड़े स्केल पर आपको इसे पढ़ना होगा. बट इन क्लास 3 we'll just be giving you the introduction or the information about all these 3 tenses: present, past and future. Now keep the things in your mind what you have learned about verbs, because verb, very big thing is there in the verb that is connected with the tenses. Okay, हम जो action करते हैं, हम जो doing words, whatever the words that is informing us about the person, that what the person is doing, what the action the person is doing, all the things are informing us in the tenses. Now what is tenses? Okay children, let's have a quick look of present, past and future tense. First of all, what is the meaning of present? प्रेजेंट किसे कहते हैं? जो अभी हो रहा है, प्रेजेंट टाइम, आज का दिन, प्रेजेंट टाइम, जो ना बीत चुका है ना अभी आगे आने वाला है, अभी प्रेजेंट है, जो चल रहा है, दैट इज नोन एज प्रेजेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पास्ट? जो गुजर चुका है, जो चला गया है, जो बीत गया है, दैट इज नोन एज पास्ट. एंड व्हाट इज फ्यूचर? Future means जो आगे आने वाला है. What is coming next is the meaning of future. And now the next word is tenses. Okay, the tenses, meaning of tenses is children time. कौन सा वक्त, काल जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में tenses. Tenses means time. Now study the following groups of sentences. Now there are 3 groups. It has been given. First of all, we have to read these 3 group of sentences very, very carefully. Now the first group of tense. Okay. Anil writes well. Okay. I work hard. The sun shines brightly. Okay. Anil writes well. I work hard. The sun shines brightly. Okay. Now come to the line. The verbs writes, work, shines in the group A denote the action which is done in the present time. See, the verb is related with the टाइम, जो हमारा एक्शन है, जो हमारा काम है, वो वर्ब हमें बताता है और टेंस हमें बताता है कि वो किस वक्त पर, किस टाइम में, किस काल में किया गया है. ओके, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. अनिल राइट्स वेल. The verb I work hard. The sun shines brightly. So here in this group A children, बहुत ध्यान से सुनो बेटा. Writes, work, shines जो है ये तीनों वर्ड्स क्या है? वर्ब है. ओके, इन द ग्रुप ए, और ये सब डिनोट कर रहे हैं एक्शन को. क्या बता रहे हैं? एक एक्शन है और ये विच इज डन, जो कि कब किया गया है. अनिल राइट्स वेल, आई वर्क हार्ड, द सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली. डन इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. सो अनिल इज राइटिंग, जो वो लिख रहा है वो प्रेजेंट टाइम. आई वर्क हार्ड, मैं अभी जो काम कर रही हूँ वो वर्क हार्ड है. द सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली मीन्स द वेरी today time, the very now the sun is shining. It is not happening in the past tense, or it will not happen in the future. Today only the sun is shining. The sun shines brightly. Done in the present time. These verbs are said to be in the present tense. Tense means time. Tense हमें क्या बताता है? टाइम बताता है. और सारे एक्शंस कब किए गए हैं, इन सब की एक टाइमिंग होती है. हम कब पढ़ रहे हैं हमें टेंस बता देता है. वी आर लाफिंग, व्हाट टाइम वी आर लाफिंग, द टेंस टेल्स अस. द गर्ल इज डांसिंग, व्हाट टाइम दैट गर्ल इज डांसिंग. डांसिंग इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. एंड व्हाट टाइम शी इज डांसिंग. टुडे इज डांसिंग, शी इज डांसिंग टुडे, शी इज डांसिंग yesterday, or she is dancing, she will dance tomorrow. That tense informs us. Okay, tense means time. Now see the group B. Very careful. Anil wrote well. I worked hard. The sun shone brightly. Okay, see the difference. Anil writes well. Here it has been written Anil wrote well. I work hard. I worked hard. The sun shines brightly. The sun shone brightly. Now come to this explanation. Now the verbs wrote, worked, shone in group B denote the action which was done in the past tense. So children, the word wrote, word shown, ये हमें बता रहे हैं, ये हमें इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि ये जो एक्शन किए गए हैं ना, वो पास्ट टेंस में किए गए हैं. और इन वर्ड्स को देख के ही बेटा हम आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं. बिकॉज सी द डिफरेंस, देयर इज राइट्स ES एंड देयर इज WROTE. सी द डिफरेंस इन द स्पेलिंग एंड द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. राइट्स, रोट, वर्क, worked, shines, shone. So these are the words, the action words. It's explaining us that the action has been done in the past tense. These verbs are said to be in the past tense. Okay, ये सारे काम कब किए गए हैं? past tense में. बीत चुके हैं, कर चुके, अब अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, कर चुके already. And here comes the third group. Anil will write well. Okay, be very careful. Anil will write well. I shall work hard. The sun will shine brightly. See, the two new words are there, will and shall. Okay, so these are very new word when we use the future tense. Okay, we use will and shall. Anil will write well. I shall work hard. The sun will shine brightly. Now come to the explanation part. So the verbs will write, shall work and will shine in group C denote the action which will take place in the future tense. So children, will write, shall work एंड विल शाइन, ये तीनों वर्ड्स जो हैं, एक्शन वर्ड्स जो हैं, वो हमें बता रहे हैं कि इन ग्रुप सी डिनोट्स द एक्शन which will take place in the future time. आगे आने वाले समय में ये काम किए जाएंगे. So these are the words that are informing us that the action will take place in the future time. आगे आने वाले समय में किए जाएंगे. These verbs are said to be in the फ्यूचर टेंस. ये सारे डूइंग वर्ड्स जो हैं वो सब फ्यूचर में होंगे या किए जाएंगे. वो ना तो अभी कर चुके हैं ना अभी करने जा रहे हैं. ये सब हम फ्यूचर टेंस में आगे आने वाले समय में करेंगे. सो thus there are three main tenses, children: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Okay, children. So there are three main tenses. टाइम काल के तीन बहुत ही important parts होते हैं. They are known as the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. इसको हम easy way में ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि बेटा जो भी हम action करते हैं, जो भी हम काम करते हैं, वो हम अभी करते हैं, कुछ हम कर चुके रहते हैं या कुछ आगे आने वाले समय में करते हैं. जैसे सपोज आपको अगर किसी शादी में 2 दिन के बाद जाना है तो वो आपका फ्यूचर टेंस में होगा. यू विल गो टू दैट वेडिंग, टू अटेंड दैट वेडिंग. सपोज अगर आप वेडिंग करके आ चुके हैं वो पास्ट टेंस में हो गया, आपने वो शादी अटेंड कर ली. सपोज आप आज प्रेजेंट टाइम में जा रहे हैं वेडिंग को अटेंड करने, मीन्स यू आर देयर, द एक्शन इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. चिल्ड्रेन, जो हम अभी करने जा रहे हैं वो प्रेजेंट टाइम है. जो हम कर चुके दैट इज द पास्ट वन. और जो आने वाला है, जो भी एक्शन हम करेंगे, दैट इज नोन एज द future time or the future tense. Hope you all have understood this topic: present, past and future. So children, you have to be little bit careful with the words. Like, see, in present we are not going to use words like ed and the past tense of the word. Okay, we have to be very careful. It will be written in s or es form or in the simple present tense, like rides, work and shines. See, shines, shines, writes, or it will remain as simple like work. In the past tense, the words and the pronunciation will be changed. Okay, so this is the big sign for you all to understand that the statement or the sentence is in past tense. Like Anil, write will change into wrote, WROTE. Work will change into worked, and shine will change into shone, SHONE, shone. So whenever you are using the past tense, you will identify the past tense by the pronunciation. It will be different, and of course the spelling will be also very different from the present tense. And for the future, yes children, you can, the clue is there for you all. I am telling you that will and shall. Yes, of course, in the simple future tense you will find the word will and the shall. Okay, so children, you can pick up the statement that it will be in future tense. ये हमारा statement या sentence जो है उसमें will का use हो रहा है, उसमें shall का use हो रहा है. So the statement is for the future tense. So I am giving you few of the statements to practice also, and I am sending you the answers also, children. So let's identify the small statements so that my children can understand the simple present tense, the simple past tense and simple future tense. Okay, now tenses are words that indicate the time of an action. टेंसेस जो है, काल जो है, वो हमें बताता है, वो वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें इशारा करते हैं, हमें इंडिकेट करते हैं कि वो एक्शन किस समय पर हुआ है. ओके, टेंसेस आर वर्ड्स दैट इंडिकेट द टाइम ऑफ एन action, at what time the action has been done or taken place. So this is all for present, past and future tense, children. Now let's come to the exercise. Now pick out the verbs in the following sentence. अच्छा, पहले हमें verb को pick करना है. My children are knowing about the verb. हमें पहले action words या doing words को pick करना है. Sentence. By underlining them and then identify which tense they are in. हमें पहले उसको underline कर लेना है verb को और फिर हमें identify करना है tense को, किस समय पर वो काम हुआ है. They are in. Write them in the space provided as done in the example. She never prepares her lesson. She never prepares. Underline is prepares and the action is done in the present time, present tense. He will miss the train. Yes, my children can write very well the answer. Yes, the clue is there. He will means the statement or the sentence is telling us that the action will take place in the future tense. The sun sets in the west. No past is there, no will is there, means the sentence is in the present tense. The next one, I shall be. So, the next statement is Mohan won the first prize. See, there is difference in W-O-N, won. It is not W-I-N, win. It is won, means the statement is in past tense. A train runs on rail. Runs. The action is runs. And there is an S also, means the statement is in present tense. The dog barked at the beggar. Barked, children. These are the clue words. See, the ed is there. The past tense. The dog barked. Bhonk raha tha beggar pe, bhikhari pe. So the statement is in past tense. She wrote a letter. It is not write. Wrote a letter to her mother. The statement is in past tense. Children. So, few statements are there. He will stay here for a week. The clue will is there. Yes, of course, the statement is in future tense. The clock tells us the time. Tells. वो हमें बता रही है कौन घड़ी. Tells means the present times. The policeman ran after the thief. It is not run. It is ran. Means the past tense is there. We went for a walk. The word went is showing us yesterday. See, yesterday अपने आप ही बता रहा है कि ये काम तो already हो चुका है, एक दिन पहले ही हो चुका है. Yesterday means it is past tense. The chair cost me 40 rupees. Yes, the information is giving in the present time, so you will write the present tense. They will come here tomorrow. Yes, the will is there. You will write the future tense. He gets up at 6 o'clock. Gets, G-E-T-S, gets. You can identify gets and you will write that the statement is in present tense. So here, children, this is all for present, past and future. I am sending you the answers in the PDF form. You will write the statement, only the sentence in your classwork copy, and you will learn this also for your upcoming exam. Children? So this is all for the syllabus that we have done for the अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम जो आगे आने वाला 12th of December से एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाला है, उसका सिलेबस आई थिंक ऑलरेडी वी हैव कवर्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ वी विल डू द revision part from the next video, children. So be very alert and attentive with this very important video. एक नहीं दो, आप 3 या 4 बार भी इसको देख सकते हैं और please try to understand, and in the revision again I'll be taking this topic for you all to make it a clear one. Children? So till then, be happy and be safe.